Mema Uyakwa Eba GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. Aramede Bremo. Ya sapon hu sensimi ane ekupi oye OyerapaFM radio antina hu a program awade ensem kotuja no. Eye na ya Brefo onso ayate ama wada ensem bebre edi. Na so na ebebora eye ne nsem. Se wunya subscribe to the channel na Mr. Se open subscribe. For the other say over click the subscribe button na wabele notification where there's a new video piano also on sa every after we are now like video no give us a thumbs up and share my offer for so na when you be now work after yambura eye ya support the legend our tunuma the ho adudo no our yare ne ade na if you be na ne yere no o ware betu ya say ye o yare yere 20 years na eye obaba ko kan ho re ne tunu and Abuana Bepusan Bepu. Then I am going to copy OyerapaFM until I show can simply be Nara Ewo. Now, when here and I have before so Abema or day and some of the year until what to be the Amanino Ewo convoy of first 18 Juma, they a home correba. Now, I have before the ensemble to Nara and Atuga. And Tentamara in whooping air, and I have before Yinti and Sama were the fire out of homes and some Yinti and Sama.
You know, more Casamini Abana Yadi, a yadrin. Atem didn't come. Mohamudi atem ni dey semara. Nipa. Antina. I like a lot of things she does. I have my own issues makada. Say my share the programmer or hima wama akode bi a yato no mona. That is very wrong.
When ya tentene ye.
Yato no mona, nya tentene ye. Nipa na oto mona ne si hobi. Na wama akola na hwe papa na neso. That's wrong. That's abuse. Assault. Yes. The thing that the person did and accepted was wrong.
Because that's at that time, no, or you're helpless, yes. But set penny, tina hona crab.
Who penny mu katra kolano, who penny mu katra kolano say, Shinasum, boneniso. That's wrong. That's not media work.
Yes, that's not media work.
A yaw we are fan kasasa. What I say, a yaw yan kasasa. That's not media work, yan tresa. And no more radio so TV so e didi atem no so meti obentene me akwai aboa kwase personal like personal now I found him out with three so when it would Jimmy aboa nyansa be na wo no very bad very unethical
ya support you
very bad and wanna make it
okay
ya support the ya okofa ne yere
and then ma
and no okay I won't say it is very wrong for me to say so okofa ne yere Maame ne ma ne ba studio or mama studio. They don't come to the studio just like that. They will come and see you first and tell you what the issue is.
Now, my catcher say, I say,
you can deal with it outside with that.
Yes, now what catcher me so, Maame. Same way say, no kind
John Dramani Mahama.
Oyerepa. Now me catcher say, chin.
To me, chin. I am Mimi Radio. It is my show.
So the production team should.
It is my show. Said Nanado yere. Said John Mahama yere. Said. And they the nimfalumba now
okra no money ade
wow I me kura no and I will tell you mempna
yeah
say me kura bia ba na obeke kan sama fa no look this thing that Aremeyaw Canada ye all the same Broni Serwaa Broni I have issues with it because I feel look the man is a Ghana's president.
Yeah.
The problem where I felt she was right was where she was threatened. That somebody decided to go and on next year senka womu pende kuno. That's one she has a right to talk about it.
Yeah no yeah answer.
And no cry there send and no dey me no twempra na ebia bibi na ebia mese meka na hunu na me a meka de nya hunu. But said describing the man how an be masite what is enkwase asem sebe. That's very wrong. Which I said that's very wrong. Upo o president no. Upo former president and maba wabi started so mudi ne ho fa e friend papa no. That's very nonsense. O papa won yan sa.
Yeah. No.
What I say if it's about the person's policy and yema bia wa ye e fa na adwuma ho that's different. Ya sapon. Our problem o yare. Our problem on one man na e ka so wa adwene mu hawo. Adwene na rewe. Erewe a. Atwa fa ho. Erewe o ne ba na e ka enu kra nya say that interview akolani kasai before then now why interview with Mark Brown 2020 no what say oba ya can what omajai but ebia ye fan sanko but Ghana mra oni oba wo Ghana ha na if you don't meet and name for a year na share you don't need to send any answer to ebusuafo bia egu That is what the law states. And Mraganamra, Sadete. But the papa am say obekwa ko hu abusuafo. So odi obu abusuafo. No agu no so kama. Oh. Eno na bia ma so doesn't mean say bibisa na ye den na yantene nka. Around that time and
Maame no.
Vice President akwa papa sika and we bia bonte.
Where the whole issue is coming.
That is where as a journalist you should know something is wrong somewhere. You could deal with it. Yes.
What if she tried and won't
Tiasia fane mama ni nko ba foforo.
Papa yi.
Na uni mi
say Sebi producer papa yi yare da dem. Ye fa bibia tronche. Oye legend. E wo Ghana ha.
Oh no, we ti wa.
Ti say Nana Yate hey. Na so ka say bia ohia John Mahama ye de nasema ba and I say any other personality or access to the person.
Atopabuo.
Yes, or access to the person now.
Who say o stopping
I will call if I have access to the person.
Yes, you call
former president papa met me a friend. Now we cry me friend. Asem say obi aba say wa we na me friend say yes wa nti dia we
absolutely childish.
Ye ni braogroma say ebini obi a o hwe obi wa na ukunu yare ne meaning say time o yare no. Because also later what say na ye de na kwa yasabe ansa wo ti no e wo ye na ko asori dem ansa wo ti no. Where were you when you was not well?
Yeah.
Where were you?
Osebusuafo ne mpenasem.
And then you should know from
yes
what happened to Busuafo mpenasem.
Osebusuafo ne mpenasem and oboya bonkrofo bi kra o che say omo kra na say oni omo tena ase so omo ne keka say
omo should know there say there you can stop it.
So omo si there bi and omo say omo you see papa ni sika.
Yes.
And maybe eno so na omo gina enti na wo so what tena ho no man say mo koso what tena ho din an kasa
and papa no problem won adwini mo enti bibi say na bia ono ko ni me so
that is the family issue Nana that is the family issue but for you to who as a journalist now one consider
enka baby o hon man keso odwin bibi hu mienu
that is the point I'm just making nipa na yare da ho e no crash shock keke o tese ye body di e ya support ya shock keke
because or bibi koto
and you allow that to happen
or the bibi koto on Twitter
I mean it is highly unacceptable.
Yes,
so who pushed her? When they push you,
nobody can push her to do that.
Exactly. Someone I mean,
nobody can push her. Look, if she felt say Maame here scar, or no, I know what she can do. Go bet me resist scam Maame.
Yeah.
In fact, bet me resist scam ya sapon on no dia Maame so fanko. What did they say? I like her so much. But
a friend say ya support.
I see ya support sit down now.
Yes,
on 5 hour first day.
You know why? So this completes the fact that the reason why she's coming out is the money.
No, but Nanaya, and Nana Otiano now can say, or command 100,000 bisa say, a cash and a check.
Yeah.
So it be crying cash, it be crying a promise. Ebi kura na ye
na cash kura 100,000
I mean 100,000 there wo ba say
ska we ni abere
be use
we dey tire na abon be ya wabo
e man ka se ni
be sem
na osusu wa wo timi anya bibia na wa kwotara radio so na bia
na nkola no kura na ahomte
na nkola man kanti fo mi
no nkola kura wo ni papa ya akọ McBrown show so no wo UTV e ma papa no kan wo wo ntumi anka so oboa so no mo Maame Agyai
Ana me Maame ya o kan se bi o se ni o wo bagimifo amre se ni o
yo
ohun ade bi on ma wo wadwen ya o se
we na mo horo mo nsem o abonte
exactly u go bana
ena Tiwaa be kasa wo kura ko twempena wo baabi ene ye che wo che se we wa nkọ ho kura nka sa asem we mp
me hame because ya support a legend and the state no woman no ohia yes he needs a total mental state of mind.
It's not gone completely.
It's
not gone completely.
Look at Papa Bishop J.Y.do I was well Papa Yarinya no.
Na say mre bi by the din.
And this is not the time.
I'm saying this is the third time.
And this is not the time I say what ba so ba be pray japade. And I be
and then asantifo na kasa ye mu
edan no siwie no ko ogis kan bia ko si
edan no dia wo fie for wo skada no musi bi ma
me yenka no kure say asantifo ye mu bi ye mu bi e pray tapade ho toto
too much
o papa ti be bia fa ma
too much
and now pray tapade ho
exactly
ya me metu e obi bia ni wa me pe
o de
o de mama amade ba wa fa mama am no ni case
it's so bad
what I say me metu e obi bia ni wa me ne je ho me mewurawuram. It's very bad. Yanko ya ni nya de pa. Ebeboa. Work. Manage yourself.
I mean, you don't go to that extent. Looking at the say, I don't know. I say omoka diphobia no nyamo ni krum na.
Enye fe.
Oh, yeah.
Only Net2 TV is an ordinary person. But in the eye of the people, Ghana for you, one enemy.
Na say mo ekura yanka o radio. So say wo go hwe okunu no obi di obi ri ukunu. No be ka radio so no obi dai. E na be manage area.
Nipa otu ne fo no. E ma ni call radio so kokogu nanimu ase no. Ka ni ukunu asem. Enko obi amfa ho. E bia na dwe ne say maame ne baba jiska ne bi di ama no.
E yo obi show ba na me anum ne kura ni. Wo mo amode awaresem. Mo a David and Maho. Modi aware som ye na.
Eyem ya nam dem
Mo modi aware sem kwatena radio ni TV so no. E to je mo a.
Eye kura sesem.
Mo modi aware sem. Na nya wonkwa because nipa na wutie onu kura tie wasem.
Onu kura
wo nim de hye no wo.
Ai we dey kan plane. Antina ye na enim se wa ware agyan. O ware sem troni no gyae. Ono kwa ware no kwasa so koye secret word meboa. Eye open secret. Wundim nyama go into it aso no kwa koye the secret word.
Obi kunu na ye ya but no kwa me kwa fa.
Those things. I don't know for the metal radio so because onim. The question that goes. But no be say wo wajimi.
What friend na wamba?
Wo so friend so mechanic dey.
Oh na dey.
Oh friend because maybe our friend me for some reasons I'm trying to reduce the interviews that I've been going to. For some time because maybe you'll be a plane. I say me wane kanya.
Obeka.
Metiaka. But never be also a walk can.
It's all trend so.
Yes. I did be because I told you it affects your children. It affects your children.
Seriously.
It can go down to affect the family. The
children are actually the one pushing. Yeah.
Yes, upon Adria, Ohia a piece of mind.
Assembly diaba.
Yeah, na I mean
Emma Eduabo. Enya man na mema no mo nwen say man na na tisa.
Enya man na bad baby or what is here or represent a lot of women.
Offer.
Also equally the same thing. But
Akrabi wo honoma ene 12 or 15 years bi wo honoma aka chen so nkoye ne course.
Fela cry
exam. Look at her.
Somebody like Fela. Be feel so a young girl tie bia na dwene no betimi she's been very very quiet about all these things that is going on. Yes, you only bika. Then to our plan one it's easy for a woman who is married
no.
Do you think it's that easy for a woman who is married so better plan?
Yo, tipo we and somewhere na ya Brefo at Tiwaa on so reacted to where ya Sarpang and Sammy and you could be OyerapaFM or day and some Akufo-Addo ewoko eno na ode nsema today. Because was just so and I will hear no. So we now subscribe here. Let's just say over subscribe no like it. Now watch a video ama of so any be na wakre. Also betting at share wagging a fire and some we now our comment box in in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.